Greetings from Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Chevy Colorado V6 two-wheel drive. It's in beautiful condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around here, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's in really nice shape. Running boards, sliding rear window in the back, step bumper in the back, super nice. Really nice condition. All right, let's take a close look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in amazing shape, looks super clean. Fog lights, very nice feature. Beautiful condition. Does have a little bit of damage on here. Nothing major, little crease right there. Besides that, looks good. Headlamp on the passenger side looks good. Painted grille looks amazing. Front light on the driver's side looks really nice. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition overall. Does have a couple tiny little marks here, here, and here from the road. Besides that, looks really nice. Windshield's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout. Very nice. It's got a tiny little mark right here on the windshield. Tiny little mark right there. Besides that, looks good. Front fender, driver's side looks amazing. Front door, driver's side looks amazing. Rear door on the driver's side looks amazing. Running boards, beautiful condition. Bedside looks good, really nice shape. Super clean. Does have a small little scratch right here. Can't even notice it. Tiny little scratch right there. Besides that, looks very nice. Rear light on the driver's side looks good. Rear door's in beautiful condition. The other rear light also in beautiful shape. It's got a little backup camera there. Locking mechanism for the rear door. It's got the step bumper back here. Brake and tow lights. Beautiful condition. All right, bedside on the passenger side looks good. Super clean, very nice condition. Very nice. It's got a small little mark right here on the paint. Besides that, looks good. Another little mark right there on the paint. Rear door on the passenger side looks very nice. Front door on the passenger side looks amazing. Super clean. Front fender on the passenger side looks amazing. Let's take a look at the windshield on this side. Beautiful shape on this side, nothing to show. Take a look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful condition. Super nice. Bed's in nice shape. Super clean. Sliding rear window on this one. Look at that. Nice feature. Let's take a look at the roof on this side. Really amazing shape all the way through. Super clean. Okay, that concludes our walk around. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the interior, and then we're going to take it for a little test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape, clean throughout, very nice condition. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Power window controls, very nice. A couple pockets there for storage. Driver seat's in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. It's got the forward and rear is power, and the back is actually manual. But it's nice to have that. Beautiful condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel in the front. Door panel's in great shape. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Does have a little imperfection here and here. A couple scratches there. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the passenger seat in the front, beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Beautiful shape throughout. Really nice condition. Okay, take a look at the rear. Driver's side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seat, also in beautiful shape. This one has a sliding rear glass. Really nice feature on this one, nice add. Full set of floor mats, Beautiful condition throughout. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door on the passenger side. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice condition. Door panel's in great shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful shape throughout. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Power plug and USB for the rear passengers. Super nice. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner's in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Beautiful condition throughout. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado. I'm gonna go and start this up. It's a crew cab with a 6-cylinder. Take a look at the key fob on this one. It's got one remote here. Lock unlock, panic. Check out the key. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in. Start it right up. Starts up perfect, no issues at all. Very nice, all the gauges are fully functional. You have your RPMs, miles per hour, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, and then in the center there has a little screen. So we're looking at the speed, trip 1, trip 2. We're looking at the fuel range, 147. Take a look at the oil life, really nice, 100%. Tire pressure sensors, oil pressure, transmission fluid temperature, blank page. Okay, that shows us miles per hour there. So that little square there on the left will show you the miles per hour that the street you're on is asking for. Let's check out the turning signals. Fantastic. The highlights, fantastic. Steering wheel's in beautiful shape. Take a look. Really nice condition. Cruise control on the steering wheel. These are the controls we're using to move the screen above. Front wipers, look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the controls. You got power mirrors, power windows, power locks, automatic lights with fog lights. This is the control for the towing. Super nice. Dashboard looks good, brand new. Look at that. Really amazing condition. This vehicle has 46,000 miles and looks brand new inside. Very nice. This one has a Bose system. Look at that. It's got a little center speaker there. Let's take a look at the radio. This one's really loaded. This has navigation on it. So let's look at the audio. Audio, and then the settings there for audio. It has AM, FM, XM radio, and Bluetooth. Let's go back to home. Phone settings, look at that. Really nice. You can set up your phone for wireless music or for speaking on the phone. Navigation system, really nice extra. Look at that. Amazing. Hotspot settings. If you want to subscribe to that, you can do that. Super nice. Go back to home again. Users, you can set up users. That way they can save your radio stations and all that stuff you like separately than anybody else's. Settings, here we go. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto for apps for the vehicle. You have your collision detection here. Let's see. Rear backup camera with parking assist symbol. Date, time. All your features on that one. Super nice. Go back home again. Really nice. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's got a couple more apps there. You can download more if you like. You go to the App Store, Spotify, My Chevrolet, Amazon Alexa, all that good stuff. Look at that. And then this is the split screen. It shows you whatever's on the radio station. Shows you also where the navigation is at. It's a really nice feature there. Looks good. All right, down below here you have your AC controls. Really nice. Below that, traction button. You got your cargo lamp in the back. The towing button. Down below that, you have your little card in there. Your SD card. 2 USBs. Auxiliary. Look at that. There's your power jack there. Like I said, dashboard and steering wheel looks brand new. Really amazing condition. Let's take a look inside the glove box. Yep, it's got a full set of books in there. Really nice. This one has the floor mats and everything for it. Automatic transmission with manual shift mode. So if you put it on L, you can shift it manually. That's a nice feature. A little bit of storage in here. Very nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. We have it in gear. We're all set. Really nice and smooth. Don't feel anything. Really quiet. Really nice drive. Okay, we've got a stop sign here. Checking the brakes. Super quick, feels really nice. Brakes really nice, feels super smooth. Super nice drive. There you go. Coming up on a stop sign here. Very nice. Okay. Okay, let's check out the backup camera now. And then we'll be all set and completed our test drive. This one has the little lines when you turn the steering wheel. It shows which way it's going to roll. Super nice feature. Very nice. Okay, that's pretty much it. That's the test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look under the hood, and take a look at the bed in the back. Really nice. All right, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. 6-cylinder, a lot of power, very nice. Take a look at the hood from the bottom. Beautiful condition. Emission sticker right there. Really nice. Really in outstanding shape. Super, super clean. Okay, let's go ahead and check out the bed. It's got a locking mechanism on it, so it's cool. Take a look. Door's in great shape. Does have a couple scratches here and there. Nothing major. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a bed liner. Does have some scratches here and there also. Normal wear and tear. Bed's in great shape. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. Tire on the front, driver's side, looks really nice. Very good condition. Good year. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Take a look at that. Really amazing condition all the way through. Very nice. Okay, take a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Good amount of tread on there. Look at that. Tread's in great shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Take a close look. Really amazing condition on this one. All right, taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in amazing condition. Super clean. Rim's in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Good amount of tread on there. It looks amazing. All right, take a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Amazing condition. Super clean. Good amount of tread on there. Rim's clean and in amazing condition. Look at that. Very nice shape all the way through. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Chevrolet Colorado LT package with a 6-cylinder. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really outstanding shape. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.